Hi there, Sarah.
Linda, hi! Where are you going?
I'm hungry. I'm going to buy a burger. I need to go back to school quickly.
Well, Linda, that's not a healthy meal. What about going to the supermarket? You can find all kinds of food there.
Good idea, Sarah.
Let's go.
Wow, this supermarket is very big. Look at the fruits and vegetables. I should eat more vegetables.
Good idea, Linda. You must eat more vegetables like lettuce, tomato, onions.
Oh, look at the ice creams and donuts there. I love them.
Oh, Linda, let's buy fresh apples.